In this video, we'll be taking a look at the JisuLife Handheld Fan Pro 1S. Make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Alright, let's take it out of the box and take a look at it. There's a carrying pouch, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a user guide, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a lanyard. The Fan Pro 1S is a strong fan with an adjustable speed between 1 and 100. It weighs about 260 grams and has a built-in 5000 mAh battery, which will give you between 5 and 15.5 hours of use, depending on which setting you use it on. Obviously, if you use it on the highest setting, you won't get the full 15 hours of use. As for charging it back up with fast charging mode, it should take under 2 hours to fully charge. The body is made of aluminum alloy, and you have two color choices to choose from, pale brown or dark gray. On the front there's an LED display, which will show you the battery charge level, as well as the fan speed. Below that is the roller switch. To turn it on, you just press down on the roller switch, and to increase or decrease the power of the fan, just roll it up or down. Looking at the back, we can see the turbo design air intake, the USB-C fast charging port, and the safety lock switch, which will cut power immediately if enabled, as well as prevent the fan from going on by accident. On the bottom there's a lanyard hole, so you can install a lanyard and easily carry it with you. Here's a size comparison with a smartphone. Now that summer is coming around, this is a great item to help you stay cool in the heat. Whether you're indoors working on the computer or outdoors, this will definitely give you some relief. It looks great and works great. It's priced just under $70 US. If you're interested in picking up the JisuLife Fan Pro 1S, there'll be links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.